Sorry, this is Nikki from Web On Point SEO. I shot a quick video to show you how to increase your online presence and generate more sales. I will go over your homepage really quick. I see phone number right here. I might change the color because it looks kind of blended in to the background. But you have another phone number right here, and you're in business for 25 years, really long time. It's wonderful. I see Gary over here, and you serve Lakewood and Tacoma. And another phone number. So I would suggest to have a form submit somewhere on top of the page because it does help with conversion. Google usually want to see at least 1500 words on the homepage, and I see good amount of content on your homepage. But the more content you have, the longer the Google bots will stay on your website and start trusting your website. Having good buyer intent keywords on the homepage is very important too. This is one of the example of buyer intent keywords. When someone types garage door Tacoma W8, this is the result. I see a map pack on top of it. Usually top 3 listings here receive a lot of calls because it is super easy to be found. Being top 3 is extremely important for you to not only beat your competitors, but to help you generate local traffic and get more sales. So how do you rank on Google Map Pack? You can fill out as much information as possible on your Google business profile, such as your business name, phone number, business hours, description. Having more citation can definitely help. So list your company name, phone number, address into as many directories as possible. Please make sure that all information is exactly the same across the internet. Getting more 5-star Google reviews can definitely help too. This area is called organic. Ideally, you want to be in the top 3. If not, at least on the first page is very important. So let's do some comparison. There's like a franchise, so I chose this company. Let's do a little comparison. Okay, they have a big phone number right here, and some keywords, some coupons, and form submit on the bottom. Okay. This is a tool we use. It's called Ahrefs, and this tool can analyze your website. This is your competitor's website. UR is trust rating with Google. DR is power rating with Google. You have about 262 backlinks. What a backlink is basically another website has a clickable button that will lead back to your website, and you have about 120 keywords on your website. And your competitor, they have about 1600 backlinks and using about 680 keywords on the website. Let's see what kind of keywords your competitor is using. So garage door repair Tacoma, 400 people, about 400 people searching. Garage door repair, I don't know which area this is. I'm just gonna skip this one. Tacoma garage door repair, about 350 people searching. Tacoma garage door, about 200 people searching. Garage door repair, Tacoma W8, 150. Garage doors, Tacoma, about 200 people searching. So there are a lot of volume for Tacoma related keywords. So if you can capture these high volume buyer intent keywords and implement them onto your website, and get more high quality backlinks to your website, that would really help to start ranking on Google search. I hope this information was useful to scale your business. If you want to learn more about how you can use this information into action, or if you want to just chat with us, please feel free to contact me anytime. Again, my name is Nikki and my company name is Web On Point SEO. I really hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.